What's up, kitties? So welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to unbox again the next PR package or the prize that I received from NIX Institute of Beauty. So here it is. So na-mention ko siya sa una kong video, which is the unboxing video from Omni Beauty. So kung hindi nyo pa napanood, the link is on the description box, so you can check it, you can watch it. So ayan. So ang boses. So we're going to unbox this prize from NIX Institute of Beauty. So nanalo po tayo as a People's Choice Award from video category. So meron po yung photo category and video category. So nanalo tayo as People's Choice Award kasi marami tayong views and maraming nag-support sa atin. So sad to say, hindi na siya katulad ng dati. As in, dami talagang supporters. So alam ko busy kayo at hindi na rin ako nangulit, pero at least may mga nanood pa rin. So dati talaga nagka-thousands yung views natin. So ngayon umabot lang siya ng 400 plus kanon. So yun. So thank you so much sa support niyo. And yun nga, so sa tagal natin nag-video, nag-vlog, hindi na rin ako minsan nagsasend ng links sa ibang for 2 PM, hindi na rin ako nagsasend ng mga link ng videos ko kasi minsan niya na rin ako. So sa Facebook lang talaga ako nag-post. Hindi ako nag-post sa page. So mismong Facebook lang, tapos family members, onti lang talaga yung sinendan ko ng link. So thank you so much sa mga nanood. Thank you so much. And yun nga lang, hindi creative talaga yung ginawa kong entry. So kasi creative yung mga yung mga sumali din. So it's okay. So yun, nakaka-proud lang. And ako mismo na-occutan ako dun sa nagawa kong entry. So hindi nga lang siya creative, pero ayun, satisfied ako dun sa nagawa ko. So share ko lang siya sa inyo, sana nagustuhan nyo din. So hindi siya creative makeup look, instead glam look lang talaga yung ginawa ko. So hindi ko talaga na-expect na magka-creative din yung mga kasali. So it's okay, at least alam natin sa sarili natin na ginawa natin yung best natin dun sa makeup look na yun. So thank you so much again. Thank you. Kahit nga dun sa live ni Miss NIX, sabi niya, uy, ang ganda ng purple, nyo, yun, sabi niya. So yun, sabi ko, wow, thank you. Open na natin. So, sender name, NIX Institute of Beauty. So, yan. Consignee name, ako, Shary Gerola. Then, consignee address, contact number. So, yan. So, dahan-dahan natin siyang i-open. Baka may mapunog tayo. Wow! May aircon talaga. OMG! Ang ganda! Okay. So, may envelope sa loob. So, yan. We have Tantalash Pro Lashes. So, Tantalash Pro Lashes. So, alam nyo ba na yung mga nag-Miss Universe, so, ganito yung gamit nila na eyelashes. False eyelashes, fake lashes. So, ganito yung gamit nila. Ayan. Tantalash Pro Lashes. Thank you so much, NIX Institute of Beauty. I love it. The next one. So, nakabubble wrap siya. actually, it's already 12:37 a.m. and today is March 15, so payday sale. And wow! Revlon Color Stay. Thank you so much. So, it's a quad palette ba tawag dito? Actually, may message sa akin yung NIX Institute. So, dapat blushes yung ibibigay nila. Kaso, yung bigay ng sponsor sa kanila, parang nag-crack ata yun. So, yun, nag-crack daw yung blushes na binigay ng sponsor. So, yung ginawa nila, pinalitan na lang nila ng quad palette ba tawag dito? Yan. So, it's, Revlon. Ayan. Revlon yung brand. Color Stay 540 Inspired. So, ang ganda nyo. Hindi siya neutral, pero at least, ganda. Ayan, trinay ko na, diba? Ayan. Thank you. From Coco Cover. Yan, Coco Cover. Thank you so much. So, prices po ito ha. And sponsored by Coco Cover, Tantalash, Pro Lashes. So, pinatan lang yung Revlon. So, dapat ata yun eh. Anong brand ba yun? Nalimut ako. Please follow Coco Cover. Ayan. So, sa Facebook, sa TikTok and Instagram. So, yan. Therapy Lip Balm Benefit, Cheek and Lip Tint Benefits, Rose Water Face Mist. Wow! Face Mist pala. Wait lang. Ayan. Wow! Rose Mist. So, di pa ako nakatry ng face mist. Yung natry ko lang palagi is yung setting spray. So, itong face mist before tayo mag-makeup, ganun. So, ito yung gagamitin. Thank you so much. I love it. Yan. Then, ano to? Lip therapy. Ayan. So, hindi ko na kailangang bumili. Meron na. So, pabos na kasi yung lip balm ko, yung Medcare. So, ito. Maganda siya, lip therapy. From Coco Cover. Then, lip therapy ulit. Ayan. So, we have color brown and pink. So, hindi ko alam kung yun ba talaga yung color niya pag trinay ko siya. So, thank you so much. And then the last one, Dreamy Color Cover. It's a lip and cheek gel tint. Ang cute. Ayan. Ganda. Thank you so much. Napaka-eco-friendly ng lalagayan yung pouch. So, ang ganda. Thank you so much, Coco Cover. Thank you so much, NIX Institute of Beauty. Thank you so much, Tantalash Pro Lashes. And dun sa pinalit yung Revlon. Ayan. Thank you. So, ilalagay ko na lang dito. Yan. Ilalagay ko na lang dito yung dapat na brand na marireceive ko. Which is the blush. Kaso nga nag-crack daw. So, palto na lang nila. Ayan. And the last one, meron ditong nakalagay na envelope. So, I think this is it. Yan. Wow! So, last time, nag-join ako sa NIX Institute of Beauty. And, it's in the theme of Christmas yon. First time ko nun yun yung pinaka-first ever na nag-try ako ng makeup contest. And, na-feature lang tayo nun sa dun sa parang magazine nila na yun nasa yun. So, hindi tayo dun nakuhang people's choice or judge's choice, ganon. So, this time, nag-try ulit ako. Try lang yan. So, nag-try ulit ako. Then, Certificate of Recognition. This is hereby given to Shary Gerola, People's Choice Award, Video Category, NIX Institute of Beauty, facing the 2022 New Normal Beautifully Makeup Contest. Founder or CEO, NIX Institute of Beauty, Miss NIX Soriano. So, before ko i-end ang video na to, I would like to thank NIX Institute of Beauty for this great opportunity and Miss NIX Soriano for this certificate, and also for my awards. Thank you, Coco Covers, Tantalash Pro Lashes, and ano pa ba? And the supposed to be brand yung blush. So, nalimutan ko ng brand. So, ilalagay ko lang dito. So, yung pinalit nila is yung Revlon. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.